Have you ever wondered if there's a secret recipe for growing taller? While genetics play a significant role in determining your final height, what you eat can definitely influence how well you reach your full potential. This video dives into the world of nutrition for growing bodies, exploring essential foods that can provide the building blocks for healthy bone development during childhood and adolescence. By incorporating these key nutrients into your diet, you can ensure your body has the tools it needs to maximize its natural growth trajectory. Protein, the building blocks of height. Protein is the superstar nutrient when it comes to growth and development. It acts as the body's essential building block, playing a crucial role in constructing and maintaining strong bones, muscles, and tissues. During childhood and adolescence, when your body is rapidly growing, sufficient protein intake is vital for maximizing your natural height potential. This section can then delve into different protein sources suitable for a well-balanced diet. Animal sources. Lean meats like chicken, fish, and turkey are excellent protein sources. Plant-based options. Beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh provide high-quality protein for vegetarians and vegans. Dairy delights, milk, yogurt, and cheese offer protein alongside calcium, another essential nutrient for bone health. We'll discuss this next. Calcium, the mineral making your bones mighty. Next up in our growth-promoting lineup is calcium, the mineral that forms the very foundation of our bones. Imagine your skeleton as a magnificent building. Calcium acts as the bricks, providing strength and structure. During your growth years, your body uses calcium to build and solidify your bones, helping them reach their full potential in terms of density and strength. This section can expand on calcium-rich foods to fortify your diet. Dairy powerhouses, milk, cheese, and yogurt are classic sources of readily absorbable calcium. Opt for low-fat or fat-free options to keep your diet balanced. Leafy green giants, don't underestimate the power of your greens. Collard greens, kale, and broccoli are surprisingly rich in calcium, making them a delicious and nutritious addition to your plate. Fortified friends, many plant-based milks and some breakfast cereals are fortified with calcium, offering a great alternative for those following a non-dairy diet. Fishy favorites, canned sardines and salmon, bones and all, pack a powerful calcium punch. Vitamin D, the sunshine nutrient for strong bones. While calcium is the building block, vitamin D acts as the foreman, ensuring the calcium gets used effectively. This sunshine vitamin plays a vital role in calcium absorption, helping your body incorporate this essential mineral into your growing bones. Without sufficient vitamin D, your body struggles to utilize calcium, hindering its ability to build strong, dense bones. Here, you can explore ways to get enough vitamin D. Soak up the sun. The most natural way to acquire vitamin D is through moderate sun exposure. However, it's crucial to practice sun safety and avoid sunburn. Fatty fish feast. Salmon, tuna, and mackerel are excellent sources of dietary vitamin D. Aim to include these in your diet a couple of times per week. Fortified food friends. Many foods like milk, yogurt, and some cereals are fortified with vitamin D, providing a convenient way to boost your intake. Beyond the big three, essentials supporting nutrients. While protein, calcium, and vitamin D are the superstars of bone growth, a well-rounded cast of characters plays a supporting role. These additional nutrients provide essential building blocks and contribute to overall bone health. Vitamin K, found in leafy greens and some fruits, vitamin K helps activate proteins crucial for bone formation and mineralization. Vitamin C, a powerhouse antioxidant, vitamin C found in citrus fruits and berries, promotes collagen production, a protein that provides structure and support to bones. Magnesium and phosphorus, these minerals, abundant in nuts, seeds, and whole grains, work alongside calcium to maintain strong bones. Sample meal plan for growth-supporting nutrition. Now that you've met the essential nutrients for maximizing your growth potential, let's put them into action. Here's a sample daily meal plan incorporating these key building blocks. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and whole wheat toast, protein, calcium, vitamin D, vitamin K, with a glass of fortified milk, protein, calcium, vitamin D. Lunch, grilled chicken breast on a whole wheat bun with lettuce, tomato, and avocado, protein, vitamin C, with a side of steamed broccoli, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin K, and a cup of yogurt with berries, protein, calcium. Dinner, salmon with roasted sweet potato, vitamin D, complex carbohydrates, and green beans, vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, followed by a cup of cottage cheese, protein, calcium. Snacks, Throughout the day, reach for healthy options like nuts and seeds, magnesium, phosphorus, sliced fruits with a dollop of nut butter, protein, healthy fats, or a handful of baby carrots with hummus, vitamin A protein. Remember, this is just a sample plan. Feel free to adjust it based on your preferences and dietary needs. Lifestyle habits for optimal growth, beyond the plate. While a balanced diet rich in the nutrients mentioned above is crucial, maximizing your growth potential goes beyond just what you eat. Here are a couple of key lifestyle habits to consider. Prioritize quality sleep. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, a critical player in bone development and overall growth. Aim for 8-10 hours of quality sleep each night for optimal growth. Embrace regular exercise, physical activity, particularly weight-bearing exercises like running, jumping rope, or strength training, can stimulate bone growth and strengthen muscles that support your developing skeleton. Conclusion: maximize your potential naturally. Genetics play a significant role in determining your final height. However, by incorporating a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients for bone growth, along with healthy lifestyle habits, you can maximize your natural growth potential. Remember, there's no magic bullet for extra inches, but focusing on a well-rounded diet, adequate sleep, and regular exercise lays the foundation for healthy growth and development throughout your childhood and adolescence. For personalized dietary advice to support your individual needs, consider consulting a doctor or registered dietitian. They can help you create a customized plan that ensures you're getting the right nutrients to reach your full potential.